Hazrat Urwa bin Zubair radiyallahu anhu reports an Ansari had a dispute with Hazrat Zubair over the channel of the black stony ground with which the date palms were watered. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, O Zubair, you should water the ground as per norms and then let it run for your neighbor. The Ansari said, it is because he is the son of your paternal aunt. So the color of the face of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam changed, and he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, water the ground, then keep the water back till it rises up to the boundaries of the field, and get your complete right. Hazrat Zubair said, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, this verse, then, O beloved, by your Lord, they shall not be Muslims until they make you a judge in all disputes among themselves, was revealed in this connection. Ibn Shihab said, the Ansar and the other people said that the Prophet saying, water and then withhold it till the water rises up to the boundaries of the field, means till it rises up to the ankles. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 2362.